So this is my new headlight. It's from Sunpie. It looks like a Harley Daymaker, but it just costs a fraction of the genuine one. Since I was not ready to pay $400, $500 for a new headlight, so this one looks exactly the same. I'm going to install this one now on my 2017 Harley Davidson Roadster and see how it looks. To replace the headlight is basically very easy. What you need is just a screwdriver and you're set. There's just one small little bolt which you have to undo, and then you can swap out the headlight, and I'll show you how to do that. So what you're going to do first is to unscrew the screw below the headlight here. This loosens the bracket around the headlight, so make sure you hold it in place so it doesn't fall to the ground. Just unscrew this one. And also make sure the other end of the bolt doesn't fall down. So now you see it's loose. Then you can take everything out. You can take this bracket and set it to side. And then there's a clip. You can just undo this clip. So once you have the headlight out, just take this bracket as well, and then you just undo this clip here by just pulling it out. And after that we can swap the headlight for the new one. Make sure with the new one you leave this plastic on top so you don't scratch it or you don't leave any fingerprints. And this bracket here goes back in. So you just put this one in. Let me just figure it out this way. Put the cables through. And then you place the bracket right here. It has markings so you can't do it the wrong way. Once you have this, you can go and just plug this one in. The other two you can just leave. We don't need those anymore. And then maybe go and give it a test. Yep, works. And then what we have to do is place the headlamp back in. So for that, make sure you put the cables aside nicely. Make sure that the headlight is the right way around. You can slightly adjust it. Adjust also the bracket so it looks nice. Then you can go ahead and tighten it. And there you go. There's your new headlight.